Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'm showing you how to protect your Microsoft Word document by setting a password. This is especially helpful when working with confidential or personal information. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Word document. Open the Word file you want to protect. Make sure all changes are saved before continuing. Step 2. Click on File in the top menu. In the upper left corner, click on the File tab to open the Backstage view. Step 3. Select Info. From the left-hand menu, choose Info. This section displays document permissions and settings. Step 4. Click Protect Document. Under Info, click the Protect Document button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 5. Choose Encrypt with Password. From the menu, select Encrypt with Password. A password dialog box will appear. Step 6. Enter and confirm your password. Type your desired password. Click OK, then re-enter the password when prompted. Be sure to remember this password. If you lose it, you can't open the file. Step 7. Test the password protection. Close the document, then locate the saved file on your computer. Open it again. Word will now prompt you to enter the password. Type it in and your file will open securely. This confirms that your document is now protected. And that's it. Your Word document is now locked and safe. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. In the next video, I'll show you how to remove the password if needed, so stay tuned.